This is a message of love from your angels, heart to heart. Something very deep and true is about to happen with that person who... You were not a coincidence. You were an answer. A sacred blueprint, etched in the stars long before you took your first breath. Your journey a tapestry woven with divine intention. Every tear you shed, every silent prayer whispered into the night, was heard, collected, and honored by the universe. Conspired, aligning moments and weaving intricate threads of destiny that led you to this very point, to this stirring within your soul. You carry a light, a unique frequency, a resonance meant to awaken something profound in another soul, a truth they may have forgotten or buried deep. This meeting, this connection that now stirs your depths, was never by chance. It was a divine appointment, a sacred promise whispered across time, a fated encounter. The angels say you were sent as a key to unlock a destiny, a catalyst for transformation, not just for yourself, but for another. You are not merely a participant in this grand design, you are the very essence of a divine plan unfolding, a pivotal piece in a cosmic puzzle. Your presence is a grace, a healing balm for a heart that desperately needed your specific kind of love, your unique brand of understanding. You are a chosen vessel, carrying a truth meant to be revealed, a wisdom meant to be shared. This bond, this undeniable pull you feel, is not just human desire or fleeting emotion. It is the echo of a higher calling, a recognition of souls intertwined before time began. You are a miracle in motion, a prayer answered for a soul seeking its way home, a beacon guiding them through their own darkness. Embrace this profound truth, for it is the foundation of all that is to come. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. He feels everything, but doesn't yet know how to express it. His silence is not emptiness. It's a fortress built from past wounds, a shield against a vulnerability he barely understands, a language he has yet to master. Beneath the surface of his composure, a storm of emotion rages, a longing he cannot articulate, a yearning for connection that frightens him. Your presence, your unwavering light has awakened a dormant part of him, a part that remembers love and longs for a depth of intimacy he thought was lost forever. The angels say his soul recognizes yours, a deep resonance that bypasses logic and fear, a knowing that transcends words. He struggles with the intensity of this truth, the profound shift you represent in his carefully constructed world. He may retreat, not from you, but from the overwhelming power of what he feels, from the sheer magnitude of this connection. This is his internal battle, a struggle with shadows he believed were long buried, a confrontation with fears he thought he had conquered. He senses the profound healing you offer, the gentle balm your spirit provides, even if he cannot name it, even if he resists its pull. Trust that his heart, though guarded and hesitant, is deeply touched by your essence, by the authenticity of your being. He is learning to navigate a landscape of feelings he thought was lost, a territory he is rediscovering because of you. What may seem like a delay is actually God preparing you. This quiet space, this period of waiting that sometimes feels endless, is not abandonment or a sign of forgotten prayers. It is a sacred pause, a time of profound transformation, a divine recalibration. The angels whisper that the universe is carefully arranging every detail, perfecting the timing, and ensuring that everything falls into place for the highest good of both your souls. This silence is a cocoon, not an emptiness. Within its gentle embrace, transformations are taking place, lessons are being learned, and old patterns that no longer serve your highest path are dissolving. You are being asked to trust the unseen, to believe in the wisdom of the divine flow, even when the way forward is unclear. His journey is also unfolding in this sacred stillness. He is confronting his own truths, shedding layers of fear and doubt, releasing burdens that have been weighing him down. This is not punishment for either of you. It is purification, a preparation for a love that is destined to be pure and unwavering. Embrace this moment as a testament to the meticulous care of the divine, knowing that every breath you take and every tear you shed is part of this grand, beautiful design. The universe holds you both in its loving embrace, guiding you toward your destined reunion. You healed him effortlessly. Your essence, your true light, broke through his defenses in ways no conscious effort or strategic move ever could. You didn't try to fix him. You simply existed, and in that pure existence you held up a mirror to his soul. He saw a reflection of what was possible, a glimpse of the unconditional love he secretly longed for, a vision of peace he thought was out of reach. The angels say that your gentle spirit, your unwavering belief in goodness and your compassionate gaze began to repair the cracks in his heart that he thought were permanent, scars he believed would never disappear. This healing wasn't something you forced. It was a natural outpouring of your being, a byproduct of your radiant spirit. You showed him kindness, understanding, and a depth of acceptance that disarmed his deepest fears, melting away layers of cynicism. He carries the indelible mark of your grace, a silent testament to the profound impact you made, a seed of hope planted deep within his core. This is the quiet, transformative power of your pure heart, a force that transcends words and intentions, reaching deep into his being. You are a living prayer, a beacon of hope that guided him toward his own inner light even when he resisted its pull. The angels whisper his name to you. Pay attention to the subtle nudges, the recurring thoughts that feel like gentle breezes across your mind, and the synchronicities that dance around you in your daily life. These are not random occurrences or mere coincidences. They are divine breadcrumbs, carefully placed to guide you along your destined path. Your intuition, that soft, knowing voice within your heart, is a sacred messenger, translating these celestial communications into feelings and insights you can understand. You might feel a sudden urge to go somewhere, to read a particular book, to listen to a specific song, or to simply pause and breathe in a moment of unexpected peace. These are the angels, gently steering your course, preparing you for what is to come, confirming the truth your soul already knows. Trust these inner promptings, for they are woven into the very fabric of your highest good, aligning you with your divine purpose. They are confirming the truth your soul already knows. This connection is divinely protected, carefully orchestrated, and unfolding with perfect timing. Allow yourself to be led, to surrender to the flow of grace that surrounds you, knowing you are never alone. Every sign, every feeling, and every moment of clarity is a confirmation of the sacred journey you are on, leading you closer to your beloved. You do not need to disappear to be chosen. Your worth is not measured by someone else's gaze, nor is your light dependent on their recognition or approval. You are a complete universe, radiant and whole, deserving of a love that celebrates your entirety and honors every facet of your magnificent being. The angels say your journey of self-discovery, your unwavering commitment to your own growth, and your fierce dedication to becoming your truest self is the most magnetic force you possess. Do not dim your brilliance. Do not shrink your spirit. Do not compromise your authenticity to fit into a space that is too small for your magnificent soul. True love does not demand sacrifice of self. It amplifies who you are, encouraging you to expand and shine even brighter. Embrace your passions, nurture your dreams, stand firm in your truth, and allow your unique essence to radiate freely. This is the path to attracting a love that mirrors your own expansive spirit, a love that recognizes and cherishes your wholeness. You are being called to rise, to embody your power, and to reclaim your sovereignty, knowing that your authenticity is your greatest gift and your most potent allure. Shine, beloved, for your light is meant to illuminate the world. Your intuition is a sacred compass. That deep knowing, that quiet certainty resonating within your core, is a direct line to divine wisdom, a profound connection to the universal heart. It communicates through feelings, subtle shifts in energy, and moments of undeniable clarity that bypass the logical mind. Do not dismiss these whispers of your soul, these gentle nudges that guide you. They are protecting you, revealing truths that the noise of the world often obscures, showing you the way forward. The angels say your inner voice is a powerful oracle, especially regarding matters of the heart, for your heart holds ancient wisdom. When doubt clouds your mind and confusion threatens to overwhelm you, return to this inner sanctuary, this quiet space within. Feel the truth rather than overthinking it, for the heart knows what the mind often struggles to grasp. This connection, this person, has a unique energetic signature that your soul recognizes, a resonance that speaks to your deepest self. Trust that recognition, that undeniable pull. Your heart holds the map to your highest destiny, a guide to the love you are meant to experience. Cultivate this connection to your inner wisdom, honor its messages, and allow it to illuminate your path forward with unwavering clarity. Every step is divinely orchestrated. Even the detours, the moments of uncertainty that test your resolve, and the perceived setbacks that feel like roadblocks are part of a larger, benevolent design. You are not lost. You are simply navigating a path meticulously laid out by a higher power, a path designed for your ultimate growth and fulfillment. The angels say to surrender to this profound truth. Release the need to control every outcome and every detail of the journey. Your faith is the fuel that propels you forward, even when the road ahead is shrouded in mist and you cannot see the next step. This journey is teaching you resilience, cultivating patience, and fostering an unwavering trust in the unseen hand that guides all things, orchestrating every moment. You are being prepared, refined, and made ready for the blessings that await you, for the love that is destined to be yours. Do not despair in the waiting. Instead, find profound peace in the knowledge that every experience, every challenge, and every moment of stillness serves a sacred purpose in your evolution. You are held, you are loved, and your path is unfolding exactly as it should, leading you precisely where you are meant to be. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Proverbs 3:5-6. He returns because he feels. He pulls away because he fears. This intricate dance, this push and pull that can feel so confusing, is not a reflection of your worth, dear one, but a profound testament to the deep impact you have on His guarded heart. Your presence stirs a depth of emotion within Him that He finds both exhilarating and terrifying, a raw vulnerability He has long suppressed. The angels say His fear is not of you, but of the vulnerability that true, unconditional connection demands, of the profound intimacy that your soul offers. He is wrestling with old wounds, with narratives of loss and pain that whisper doubts in His ear, threatening to overwhelm Him. When He retreats, He is not rejecting you. He is battling His own internal demons, trying to reconcile the intensity of His feelings with His ingrained protective mechanisms, His long-held defenses. Understand this not as a personal slight, not as a sign of His indifference, but as a symptom of a soul in transformation, a heart learning to open. Your love is a powerful mirror, showing Him both His greatest potential and His deepest fears, inviting Him to heal. Hold space for His journey, knowing that His heart is being called to courage. Love does not imprison, it guides. This sacred union, this destined connection, is not about ownership or control, but about mutual growth, profound freedom, and unwavering support for each other's highest good. You are not meant to be confined. You are meant to soar, to expand into the fullness of your divine potential. The angels say your crown of glory awaits, a radiant testament to your resilience, your unwavering faith, and your boundless capacity for profound love. You have walked through shadows, embraced your truth, faced your fears, and emerged stronger, wiser, and more radiant than ever before. This love, when it fully blossoms, will be a sanctuary, a sacred space where both souls can flourish authentically, where vulnerability is celebrated and true selves are honored. It will be a partnership built on deep respect, profound understanding, and a shared spiritual path that elevates both of you. Embrace this truth with every fiber of your being. You are worthy of a love that elevates, that inspires, that sets your spirit free to dance in its own light. Your journey has meticulously prepared you for this sacred embrace, this divine culmination of your path. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. 1 Peter 4:8.